In this lesson, we want to explain a step tool. This tool is used for create numbering or lettering sequence. First, select the desired style or color here. By clicking, the software will do numbering in each click, as you can see. You can also choose another color while numbering. You can also use letter system. Okay, you can change the size, change the shape. But the important thing about this tool is that it keeps the last changes in its memory. And we'll do the next drawing based on the last changes, as you can see. In the fill section, you can change the color of the shape. You can change color of the text here. You can change type of the shapes. And you can control the shadow, as you can see. And opacity. In the type section, you can select type of form that are letter or number. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 or ABC. If you want to restart the numbering or lettering, click on this icon to restart it, and you can numbering or lettering from A or 1 and click. Okay, this is step tool. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.